Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Got a beautiful one for you here today. Thank you, Jetstream Transportation. 2026 Peterbilt 567. Pretty much hard loaded like we like to keep here in Greeley. 605 Cummins 2050 torque. 18 XDPro Endurant transmission. Is turning out to be a fantastic transmission. If anybody out there is afraid of that, don't be. It's an awesome transmission. This one's in North Sea Gray, one of my favorite colors. Love it. No metallic in it, nothing. It's just a solid color, just a base coat, clear coat. Really nice color. Easy to take care of, easy to touch up, easy to keep clean. Gorgeous truck, 80-inch sleeper. You can get these 567s in a short hood or a long hood. This is a long hood because it has a Cummins. They have to have the room for that. 295/75R 22.5 tires on the steer axle. It's a 13.2 steer axle, air ride steer axle. Nice polish job on the boxes here. We did put in shore power, and then your engine plug-in heater there. Polished stainless steel cover on the def tank. Got a 120 on this side with 4 straps. Nice polish job on that. There's your inverter with the shore power. It's just a lot easier to order the shore power from the factory because everything's concealed. All the wiring, everything's just so nice. Got a place for a flat screen TV there. Got a closet. Down there's the fridge. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. We got the 18-inch fairings here. Generally, I don't put those on, but Alan wanted those on, so we put those on there. Antenna on the back of the sleeper. Dark tint sleeper window, solid, can't slide, no slider, nothing like that. The slider is available. LED load lights. S-bar heater, E-S-B-A-R, S-bar. That's the exhaust right there, right there. Get the catwalk. Toolbox from the other side strapped up there because we put an APU on. Toolbox with step. Low Pro Bridgestones back here. Got the Peterbilt hole wheels. All nicely polished up. Got an outboard mounted fifth wheel, Holland FW35 fifth wheel, full lockers, disc brakes all the way around, Peterbilt low air leaf suspension, beautiful truck, absolutely gorgeous. Had an APU put on last week. Let me give a plug to ThermoKing in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Bubba up there, they do a great job. If anybody has need of an APU, get it from Bubba at ThermoKing in Cheyenne. He does wonderful work. You call his cell phone, he'll actually answer it. So, nice small shop there. They're right off of I-25, south of I-80. In Cheyenne. It's Swan Industrial Park, I think, or whatever. It's on the west side of I-25. Great guys to work with. Got a 150 on this side, 4 straps again. It's got a solid window there and an access door. Nice polish job on the after treatment. Take you in. Oh, one thing I was going to show you. This trim piece around this chrome, that's an option, but it's a nice option. Really kind of ties in when you do the chrome mirrors and the chrome visor and you got the chrome bumper. It just kind of ties all that in. None of these are going to have the bling and chrome of a 379 or a 389, but it really helps. These 567s are becoming very, very popular now that the 389 is gone. Air ride steer axle, 4-bag system, 2 on each side. Disc brakes up front. Cummins X15, 15 liter, 605 horse, 2050 torque. These hoods, they're not aluminum like the 589 is. These are built out of what they call Metton, M-E-T-T-O-N. Very, very tough stuff. You can kind of see it there. Much, much tougher than fiberglass. There's an air ride. We do dual leveling valves. Davco fuel filter. I don't know if you can see the numbers on the engine there or not. And you can see how the cab kind of sticks out over the engine, just like the new 589 does. So all the cab, this part here, the cab itself is the same for a 589, a 567, or a 579. And it's the same way with Kenworth. We all got the same cab now. I don't like it, but from a factory building truck standpoint, I get it. I understand it. Got a platinum interior, gray, black floor, black rubber floor, and then we did carpet in the sleeper, black seats. Power windows, power locks, heated mirrors, power mirrors, air horn, factory CB. That's my next thing I gotta do, is go get some fuel in this. So, did not want navigation, so when I say full gauge package anymore, that's it right there. That's a full gauge package. That's as full as we can get. You used to be able to get 23 gauges, not anymore. AM, FM, and then your HVAC controls. A couple of PTO switches, air dump. There's your full lockers and your air slide fifth wheel. And you got a few extra switches up here. This little switch right here, that's rock-free mode. So with these, you can see there's no shifter. With these automated shifters, you got to be able to tell it that, hey, I'm trying to rock this free, either out of snow or sand or something like that, so it doesn't think you're spinning out of control or whatever. So that's what this little switch is for right here, rock free mode. Got the nice steering wheel in this one. Got the nice little desk that comes out for your iPad or computer. Tons of room. Lots of room in between the seats. The AC will drive you out of this thing, freeze you to death. The fridge. Place for I think it's a 22-inch flat screen can go in there. Some guys have said they can get a little bit more. One thing we do have here is what's called an ambient lighting right here. I really like this. So it's got because when it's at night and you're just spending some time in the sleeper watching a show or something, just that little glow, that's all you need. Really nice. This is your control center. Control everything you need. When the truck is operating, you can control your HVAC here. And here's your S-bar heater. This is your ThermoKing. This is your control. I've got it off right now because I just didn't want to waste fuel, just pulling fuel out of the tanks. But that's everything for your ThermoKing is right there. Got a filing system there, storage, slide out desk, and there's tons of room here. So just thought I'd share this one with you before it gets picked up tomorrow. Oh, one last thing. Place for a microwave up here. So that's right above this. So, great truck. I love the 389s. I love the 589s, but These, the visibility is excellent in these, because it just slopes down enough and you still have that square hood. So I just thought I would share this one with you. 605 Cummins 2050 torque, and then their Endurant 18 XDPro is the transmission. I believe we're on 22.5 low pros, so I think we have a 325 gears. So that puts you just at the right horsepower and the right torque when we're running 75 miles an hour. So just thought I'd share this one with you. Beautiful truck. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Jetstream Transportation. She's a beauty. If I can help anybody, doesn't take us long to get in trucks right now. If we order a new truck today, it's about 6 to 8 weeks and it's in your hands. So happy to do that. That's what we did with this one. Alan and I built it together, and this is the end product of that. So it's Keith Couch, 970-691-3877, or Couch K, COUCHK, at rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good 4th of July, everybody.